Good morning, grade 5. Our new lesson today is chapter 13, lesson 5, relate persons to decimals. Okay, you can use the meaning of person to rename a percent as decimal or decimal as a percent. To rename a percent as a decimal, how I'm going to rename a percent as a decimal? I have a percent and I want to rename it as a decimal. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to rename the percent as a fraction. So I am going first to rename the percent as fraction. What we have learned yesterday. How I'm going to rename it as fraction? I'm going to drop the percent sign and put this number as a numerator and put 100 as the denominator. So the first step is rename the percent as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Step 2, write the fraction as a decimal. Write the fraction as a decimal. Okay, you remember how we used to write the fraction as a decimal? We learned it the first term. 45 over 100. How many zeros do I have? I have 2 zeros. We learned it the first term and we learned it the second term when we used to divide decimals. I have 2 zeros, so from the last digit I will go back 2 digits and I will put my decimal point. In 5%, and I have 100 in the denominator. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go back or go to the left 2 places and fill here by 0 and fill here by 0. Okay, girls, don't write to me as 0.5. No, it is 0.05 because 5 over 100, 100 has 2 zeros. So when I change it, 2 zeros means I will take from the last digit, I will go back 2 places, so I will fill the empty place here with 0. Okay, girls? Then, to rename a decimal as a percent. Okay, now I change from percent to decimal. Okay, girls? I change from percent to decimal. I want to do the opposite, to change from decimal to percent. How I'm going to do this? To rename a decimal as a percent, rename the decimal as a fraction. So in all cases, I'm going to have the fraction as a step, as a main step. Okay, I'm going to rename as a fraction. This is a main step. So rename the decimal as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Write the fraction as a percent. For example, if I have 0.59, how I'm going to change the decimal to fraction? Okay, I have here 59. Okay, I will write 59 as the numerator and 100 as the denominator because I have 2 digits after the decimal point. So I'm going to write 100 as the denominator. Then I'm going to take the fraction. Mariam, please mute your mic. Then I'm going to take 59 as a percent. Take the number as it is and put the percent symbol. Why? Because I have 100 as the denominator. Once I have 100 as the denominator, I can take 59 and put percent sign symbol next to it. I have here 0.4. Teacher, I have only one digit after the decimal point. What can I do? But we know that after the decimal point, we can add zeros as we can. So I will add here another 0. So when I add here another 0, so now I have 2 digits after the decimal point. So now I can divide by 100. You got the trick, girls? You got the trick, girls?
Yes.
I have 0.4. But in decimals, we can add as many zeros as we can after the decimal point, of course. Okay? After the last digit, in the last digit, after the decimal point, in the last digit, after the decimal point, we can add as many zeros as we can. So I will add 1 0. Why 1 0? Why not 2 zeros? No, I want to add 1 0. So I now have 2 digits after the decimal point, so I can divide by 100 because 100 has 2 zeros. Why I added 1 0? Because now I have after the decimal point 2 digits. Okay, so now I can divide by 100 because 100 has 2 zeros. So now I have 100 as the denominator. So now it is easily to write 40 and add to it the percent symbol. Okay, girls, is it easy now? So now we learned how to change percent to decimal and how we change decimal to percent. And in all cases, we said that. In all cases, we said that a fraction step is main in all cases. The fraction step is main in all cases. Girls, please, I hope that you can stop texting and chatting here because you will not focus with me and you will disturb your concentration. Okay, so if you need any question, feel free to ask me. Okay, as you see here to the right, the diagram that I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So I can say 45% are red and 5% are blue. Percent means 100. Percent means hundreds. Okay? Next, what do we have? Okay, you can use a shortcut to write a percent as a decimal or a decimal as a percent. Okay, drop the percent symbol, then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. You see here the shortcut? You see here the shortcut? Instead of changing to fraction, you have a shortcut. Okay, girls, you know a shortcut? Shortcut means a short way. Shortcut means a short way. But please, when you are using a shortcut, please don't forget to, when you can use a shortcut to write a decimal, drop the percent symbol, then move the decimal point 2 places. 2 places. How I will do this? 45%. How I'm going to do this? As a shortcut, I will drop the decimal, the percent symbol. I will move from the last digit 2 places to the left, and I will put my decimal point. I think this way is easier than the other one. I think this way is easier than the other one. Just wait 1 minute, girls. Okay, girls. Again, I have another example for 1 digit here. Just wait 1 minute. I have a problem here. Yes. For this example, 5%. 5% here, this one. I want to change it to decimal. Okay, I can use the shortcut, but please, when you use the shortcut, follow the steps. Drop the symbol, the percent symbol, and go back or go to the left 2 places. So when I go 2 places, there will be a gap here, an empty place. So what you're going to fill it with? You're going to fill it with 0. You're going to fill it with 0. Okay, girls? For me, I prefer to use this way. For me, I prefer to use this way. Okay? Okay, what is the opposite to change from decimal to percent? Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. And write the percent symbol. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then write the percent symbol. Okay. So I have 0.59. So I will take the decimal point and move it 2 places to the right. So it will be 59, and I will add the percent symbol. And please, when you are asked to change from decimal to percent, don't forget to write the percent symbol. I have here 0.4. Move to the right 2 places. So from 4 here, I'm going to move 2 places. 1, 2. There is a gap here. There is an empty space here. What I'm going to fill the empty space here? I'm going to fill the empty space here by 0. So my number will be 40%. I will add the percent.
Teacher, should we only move it 2 places?
Yes, Sarah, can you please repeat your question?
Should we only move it 2 places or
Yes.
more?
No, 2 places. This is the rule. If you read the rule here, 2 places. Okay? 2 places.
Okay.
From decimal to percent or from percent to decimal, 2 places. This is the rule. Okay?
Okay.
So, for me, I prefer to use the second method because it will save time. The first method, changing to fraction, then from fraction to decimal or from fraction to percent, it is easy, but it will take time. So for me, I prefer to use the second method. Okay, girls? Now I will start to choose by name from the list here to answer with me. Okay, so don't say me. I have a list here. So don't say me. I have a list here. Okay, girls? So I will start by the first name that I have in the list. Lian. Write as decimal.
Remove the percent.
We will drop the percent symbol and we will go to the left 2 places. So give me the final answer.
And go 2 places and write.
Excellent. To the left, yes.
Yes.
So what would be your final answer? I want to write as a decimal. Decimal. So what would be your final answer?
Write the 0.
Yes, 0.
Next to the 6.
0.65. Okay, Lian?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I have after Lian, Sarah Tamimi. Yeah.
We will remove the percent
Excellent.
and move 2 places to the left.
Yes.
And we will put 0.83.
Excellent. 0.83. Excellent. Okay. After Sarah Tamimi, I have Julie.
Okay, teacher, we will drop the percent
Excellent.
and you will put in the left 2 zeros.
Tell me the final answer.
0.7.
0 point what?
0.7.
I can't hear you, Jory. Repeat your answer, please. 0 point.
0.07.
Excellent, Jory. 0.07. Okay, after Jory, I have Lilav.
Yes, teacher.
Lilav,
Yes.
Lilav.
0 point. Wait, what?
This is weird.
Jory. Lilav.
0.23. No. 236.
Excellent. 0.236. Okay, excellent. After the lab, I have Sarah Yasser.
10%. 0.10.
0.10. Excellent, Sarah. Okay, after Sarah, I have Rahaf.
Yes, teacher. 0.127.
127. Okay, 127. Okay, after Rahaf, Jury answered Miral.
Yes, teacher.
Miral write as percent. So when I write as percent, I move 2 places to the left.
Yeah, teacher, that is confusing. Wait.
Sorry, to the right. Sorry, I mean to the right. Sorry, girls. To the right, huh?
Yes. We will go to digits.
To the right.
Yes. Put and 0. Teacher, I'm scared for my answer. It will be wrong.
What will be your final answer, Miral?
0.15. No. 15.0.
No, Miral, look. We take the decimal, okay? And we put it, and we take it to the right. 1, 2. So now what I have?
Oh, okay. 15.
15.0. Okay, look, Miral, as we said before, that 15.0 is like 15. We can write 15.0 and we can write 15. Okay, Miral? And don't forget to write the percent. Okay,
yes.
I want to write a note here again. 15.0 is equal to 15. Okay, you can say 15 or you can say 15.0. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Next, after Miral, I have
Finish the whole page.
wait. Raghd. Raghd.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, number 8.
It will be 73%.
Excellent, 73%. Okay, after Raghd, Farah.
Yes, teacher.
Number 9, Farah.
Yeah. 28.
8 what? 8 alone?
We can put 0. Yes, and we
8.
percent.
8. Yes. Okay, number 10. Let me check the names. Wait. Lean.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Lean number 10.
123%.
Number 10. Okay, you answered number 11, no problem. So it will be what number 11?
123%.
Try again. You moved the decimal point 2 places. Only 2 places.
112.3%.
Yes, excellent. 12.3. 12.3%. Okay, so Samar Darwish, number 10.
Yes.
Yes, number 10, Lamar Darwish.
It will be 4%.
No.
It will be it will be 4.
Follow the steps, Lamar. Follow the steps. I will take the decimal point and move 2 steps. Two steps. So when I move 2 steps, there is a gap. There is an empty space. So what I'm going to fill the empty space?
When I fill an empty space with a 0,
So it will be 40%.
40% is I had a feeling for this.
Yes. Follow the steps, Lamar. Move the percent to the right 2 places. So there will be a gap. So you're going to fill it with 0. Lamar Fadi, number 12.
Number 12. It's gonna be 18.5. 18.
Follow the steps, girls. The steps are so clear. Follow the steps.
Answer.
Lamar Fadi.
It's not 18 point.
Lamar Fadi, I have here 1.8.
1.85.
So I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right.
I forget that there's a 0. I don't know what I was.
So pass, please.
I want to answer.
Right.
Teacher, we put 85 point one. So we put symbol. This
What is the final answer?
85.
No.
We put the point and one, and we put the
No.
symbol.
Teacher.
Okay, Sarah Tamimi.
It would be. It
Sarah Tamimi.
185%.
Sarah Tamimi.
185%.
185%. Okay, so I want to know who are the girls that haven't answered. Mariam and Lamar and Tulay, right? And Jana Tariq and Hala and Latif. Okay, let's quickly finish the next example. Okay. Okay, girls. Here I have a table. person to fraction to decimal. Person to fraction to decimal. Okay, fast, and I want quick answers because we have only 5 minutes left. Okay, number 10, I'm going to start by Lamar Fadi. Lamar Fadi, number 13, fast. Lamar Fadi, I want to change from person to fraction. What do I do?
It will be 10
Fraction. When I change to fraction, what do I do? I remove the percent and I put here the number as numerator.
10 and under it 100.
Yes, excellent. 10 over 100. If I want to simplify it, it will be what? Divide by 10 up and down.
Yeah, it's gonna be 1 over 10.
1 over 10, excellent. So I will write here 1 over 10. Okay. So here are the two numbers and the simplest form here. So the decimal. I have here 1 0 and I have 1 over 10. So I will go from the left, go back 1.
0.10.
0.1. Oh, no. 0.1 or 0. Okay. No, 0.10. Okay, yes. Okay. 0.10. Okay, correct. Okay. Okay, here I have fraction. I want here Latifa. Latifa?
Yes.
Okay, Latifa, 1 over 5. I want to change it to percent, but I cannot change it to percent because I have 1 over 5. I must have a denominator of 100. What do I do to change it to 100? I divide by 100 by 5. So it will be 20. So 5 multiplied by 20 is 100. So I'm going also to multiply 1 by 20. So it will be 20 over 100. Now it is easy, Latifa. Can you please change this fraction to percent?
20%.
20%. Yes, thank you. And the decimal, what it will be the decimal?
0.20.
Hala. Hala?
Yes.
Hala?
Yes.
Hala. Okay, I have the decimal here 0.25. Can you change it to fraction?
0.25. Yes.
I want to change it to fraction and to percent. Hala and Tulay and Jana Tariq. Please, the three of you can share this question. Hala and Tulay and Jana.
Teacher, me, Maryam.
And Maryam, yes, Maryam. Yes, please, you can share also with Hala.
Teacher, can I answer?
Yes, you and Hala together. Please, come on.
Okay. Teacher, here.
Yes, Maryam.
Present.
Huh?
52.
25.
25%.
Yes, excellent, Maryam. 25%.
And 25, 100
Excellent,
over 100.
excellent, Mariam. 25 over 100. Excellent, Mariam. Yes, excellent. Okay, Hala, can you tell me number 17? Hala, can you tell me number 17? Hala and Tulay and Jana Tariq. Because you didn't answer. Can you please tell me 17? One of you answer 17. Because 17 is easy. The second part
Teacher,
is dollars, and we will not use this part, okay? Second part is dollars and money, and we will not use it. Now,
okay, teacher.
Yes,
Fraction, it will be 50 over 100,
excellent. Huh?
and this decimal is gonna be 0.50.
Excellent.
Teacher, Lajane didn't answer.
Lajine is here? Oh, Lajine.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't see your name because it was. When did you join, Lajine? I didn't see your name.
Teacher, I joined on 8.
On 8? I'm sorry, Lajine. I didn't see your name.
It's okay, teacher, no problem.
Okay, okay. Give me number 16.
40.
Yes, excellent.
40%. And the fraction is 40 over 100.
Just take 1 minute to write. Okay, thank you so much, Lajine.
You're welcome,
Other
teacher.
girl? Okay, it's 8:37. I have to go now.
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Bye, bye. Thank you so much, girls. Bye.
Where's the chip?
Bye.